Hello and welcome back to my channel Magic Fingers. In this video, I'll show you how to highlight the active row and column in Excel depending on a cell. When viewing a large worksheet for a long time, you may eventually lose track of where your cursor is and which data you are looking at. To know exactly where you are at any moment, get Excel to automatically highlight the active row and column for you, naturally. The highlighting should be dynamic. Well, let's start the video. You can see a very large amount of data. For this, select your dataset in which the highlighting should be done. When the new formatting rule window opens, choose Use a Formula and then define the formula is the name of the defined range in step 1. Then click the Format button. Click the Format button, switch to the Fill tab, and select the color you like. Now, you can see that the entire row is highlighted when you click a cell. Do the same with the column now. Select the data, go to Conditional Formatting and select the new rule.